Hello everyone, I am Rajni Meena, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government College Rawatwata. Welcomes you in my YouTube channel English Tutorial. हम लोग निजिम एजिकिल के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. निजिम एजिकिल was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, art critic. He was a foundational figure in post-colonial India's literary history, specifically for Indian poetry in English. Nijim Ezekiel was an Indian-born poet of Jewish descent and has been described as the father of post-independence Indian verse in English. He had a number of collections of poetry published which were very popular, and some, such as The Night of the Scorpion and the anti-jingoism poem The Patriot, are standard verses still studied in some British and Indian schools. He had a varied career as an English teacher in India, in England, and the United States. He wrote plays, worked as a broadcaster on Indian radio, and contributed many critical articles to the literary sections of magazines and newspapers. He was awarded Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 for his collection Latter Day Psalm by the Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy of Letters. Ezekiel has been applauded for his subtle, restrained, well-crafted diction, dealing with common and mundane simple themes in a manner that manifests both cognitive profundity as well as unsentimental, realistic sensibility that has been influential on the course of succeeding Indian English poetry. Ezekiel enriched and established Indian English language poetry through his modernist innovation and techniques, which enlarged Indian English literature, moving it beyond purely spiritual and Orientalist themes. So include a wider range of concerns and interests, including familial events, individual angst, and skeptical societal introspection. Nijim Ezekiel's early life. Ezekiel was born on 16 December 1924 in Bombay, in Maharashtra. His father was a professor of botany at Wilson College. His mother was principal of her own school. The Ezekiels belonged to Mumbai's Marathi-speaking Jewish community known as the Bene Israel. In 1947, Ezekiel earned a BA in Literature from Wilson College, Mumbai, Bombay University. In 1947-48, he taught English literature and published literary articles. After dabbling in politics for a while, he sailed to England in November 1948. He studied philosophy at Birkbeck College, London. After 3.5 years, Ezekiel worked his way home as a deck scrubber aboard a ship carrying arms to Indochina. Nijim was well educated and had a particular liking for the poetry of such as T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound. He did not much care of verse in his own language, and he grew up his writing attracted controversy. He was too close to the old colonial influence by many radicals in India he attended Wilson College, and in 1947 he gained a first class honors degree in literature and immediately started teaching English literature. His career. Ejekyl's first book, The Bad Day, appeared in 1952. He published another volume of poems, The Deadly Man, in 1960. After working as an advertising copywriter and general manager of a picture frame company, he co-founded the literary monthly Jumpo. In 1961, he became art critic of the Times of India 1964 से 1966 and edited Poetry India 1966 and 7. From 1961 to 1972, he headed the English department of Mithi Bai College, Bombay. The exact name, his fifth book of poetry, was published in 1965. During this period, he held short-term tenure as visiting professor at University of Leeds 1964 and University of Pondicherry 1967, and in 1969 at the Writers' Workshop, Ejekyl published his The Dham Plays. A year later, he presented an art series of 10 programs for Indian television. In 1976, he translated Jawaharlal Nehru's poetry for English to Marathi in collaboration with Brinda Nawar, and so edited a fiction and poetry anthology. His poem The Night of the Scorpion is used as study material in Indian and Colombian schools. Ejekyl also penned poems in Indian English, like the one based on instruction boards in his favorite Irani cafe. His poems are used in NCERT ICSE textbook. His poem Background Casually is considered to be the most defining poem of his poetic and personal career. Nazim Ejekyl is often considered the father of modern Indian English poetry by many critics. He was honored with the Padma Shri award by the President of India in 1988 and the Sahitya Akademi Cultural Award in 1983. Editor. He edited the Indian Pen, official organ of PEN, All India Centre, Bombay, from the Theosophy Hall, New Marine Lines, and encouraged poets and writers. He was editor of 1965 an Emerson Reader, in 1969 a Joseph King Reader, and in 1990 another India anthology of fiction and poetry. Nazim Ejekyl's death. After a prolonged battle with Alzheimer's disease, Nazim Ejekyl died in Mumbai on 9 January 2004. At his death, he was 79 years old. He was a foundational figure in post-colonial India's literary history. Thanks for watching the video.